Here you go.
Now.
Bless you.
It's so comforting at night.
An exploding stuffed animal? Yeah.
Tosh! Here.
Shoot.
Your present.
Thank you, Greg.
That's for Tasha.
My production designer.
It's now stinky.
Posted on that Facebook picture.
I got this.
Sorry, I didn't know you were.
Pepper. Help you? No. You got lightsaber gummies. I like it. You don't like gummies?
She likes gummies. Try it.
Here. Have your next present, Tosh. Okay. Here's another.
Yeah. She just wants her gummies. Can you please open her gummies for her? Oh, please.
Tosh. Here's some more.
She'll get some.
Look. I see Teeny-Zoomy. Teeny-Zoomy, Tosh.
Teeny-Zoomy in there?
Wow, Tasha.
Don't think about it.
What is it? Is it, IndyCar?
It's Umicar.
Grayson.
I'm hoping it.
Needs any help?
She doesn't need any.
Tosh, want some help?
No, she doesn't.
You got an Umicar.
Mom, don't think about it.
Don't think about it? Okay. Cute.
Hey, Rip.
You don't think about it? Okay, let's open the presents on the floor, please.
Here's your
Oh,
present. Here's your present, Tosh. I'm going ahead to open my phone.
Oh, you got an Umicar. That's cute. Very cute, sweetie.
Calling Umicar. Calling Umicar. Come and get her.
Cute, Tosh. Okay. Give it to Dad. He'll open it for you. I'm doing the video, honey.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
No,
Daddy.
Mommy.
Okay, well,
Okay. Why don't you open some more presents?
I see 4 more presents for you, Tosh.
There's a lot more.
Big ones.
Look, there's a big present over there for you.
Cool lightsaber.
Mm-hmm.
Press one of these buttons here. Press one of these buttons.
Wow.
Be careful with it.
Red lightsaber. You got a lot of Skylanders, buddy.
Let's open it up.
Daddy will open it for you.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
Hmm? Did you get some legendaries?
Let's put them back. You want me to open this for you?
Yes.
While I open that, you open up the other presents.
Yeah, look, this one's for you right here, sweetie. Look.
It's from Puppies and Kittens.
This is from Aunt Lisa and Uncle Jesse. Open that one, Tosh. You got another present. Please, open. Daddy'll get it open. Here, you open this while Daddy gets Umikar out.
And Timmy's Timmy.
Grayson's Danger's Way. Opening Skylander boxes. What'd you get? Ooh, Princess Play-Doh? Wow. Nice, Tosh.
I'll do it.
Beautiful.
Open it, Mom.
Okay. Go on, open up some more presents while we open that box. Sweetie, Daddy'll open it for you, okay? Honey, hey, Daddy will open it for you. He'll help you. Go unwrap those other ones while Daddy opens this for you, okay? Oh, you're sleepy. You sleepy girl. Oh, you're gonna go to sleep. Christmas unwrapping presents can make you tired. Yeah. It's a lot of presents for a 3-year-old. Oh. I hear Umikar. Meanwhile, Grayson's over here in Skylander Land. Let's see all this. Which ones he got? Okay, he got Popcorn, Tower of Time, Battle Hammer, Swap Force. He got Fire Kraken.
Fire Kraken.
He got Drilla. Cool. And he got over here Legendary Grim Reaper.
I'm trying this out.
And 2 more swap guys. Oh, Rippy, move. Oh, cute, Grayson.
For 2, what? Smash!
Oh. You got Umikar. Cute. I think it has.
Take them
I
off.
think it has a remote control, doesn't it?
Yeah, we're not powering it up now.
Oh, Daddy's putting batteries in it for you. Are they exclusives? Toys R Us exclusives? Cool. Umi's going through all the presents. Good. Is that the official way of opening up Skylander boxes? Look at all the mess.